Hi, I'm Skylar. If you've downloaded a Chrome extension and you want to change its settings, you can usually just secondary click or right click on it. Let's check that out. So I've got two extensions here. If I secondary click on this, I can go to Options, and it takes me to the management page for this particular extension. You'll see it gives me a lot of different things that I can change. Same thing is true for another extension I have installed here. Here I can manage my options. If you go to Chrome's Preferences or Settings, and on the left-hand side, click Extensions, boy, this is really slow. Here I can determine how these things affect Chrome. So I can see whether they're enabled or not, and I can uninstall them if I chose to. Down at the bottom here, you'll see Get More Extensions. So if you click on that, it takes you to the Chrome store. We'll just pick any old category and extension, like say PayPal, then just click Free, and click Add, and it automatically sets you up with that extension. So really, installing and managing extensions in Chrome couldn't be much easier. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.